In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a black background in Clipchamp. If you've been battling with pesky black backgrounds in your video content, worry no more. Clipchamp makes it simple with just a few steps. Let's dive into the process and make your videos pop with clarity and color. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Clipchamp website. Simply type in clipchamp.com and hit enter. If you already have an account, you can click on sign in. If not, you may want to create one to access more of their features. For this tutorial, we're going to sign in using a Microsoft account. So just click on continue with Microsoft and then select your Microsoft account when prompted. This effectively logs you into the Clipchamp platform and takes you to the home page where all the video magic happens. Once on the home page, you'll see a button that says create a new video. Click on that to open up the video editor workspace. The Clipchamp interface is intuitive, designed to keep everything you need just a click away. From here, search for the import media option and click on it. This allows you to bring your video file that has the black background into Clipchamp for editing. After importing your video, drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Here, the timeline is your workspace where you can alter and perfect your video clips. Positioning your media on the timeline is crucial because it allows for easier access and viewing as you make your changes. Now here comes the part where we tackle that black background. First, select the layer of the video on your timeline. Once selected, head over to the Adjust Colors option. This step is where you can tweak and modify visuals to fit your desired look. Next, navigate to the blend mode. Blend modes are powerful tools for altering how the colors and tones in your video interact with one another. For eradicating that black background, we're going to choose Lighten from the drop-down menu. What this does is essentially make the darker areas of your video, such as backgrounds, blend seamlessly or disappear against lighter colors, leaving your main subjects and lighter elements untouched and vibrant. Once you've selected Lighten, you might notice the black background fading away, allowing your subject to stand out prominently. It's quite that simple. If you're happy with how it looks, you can proceed with exporting your video, and just like that, you've removed a black background using Clipchamp. There you have it, a simple yet effective guide to tackling black backgrounds in your videos. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or a beginner, Clipchamp provides a user-friendly platform to elevate your content with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.